for a little bit, and then I'll give you guys some sound clips of it revving up with the stock setup. And tomorrow morning we're heading down to the shop and we're gonna get this exhaust in. It's gonna be awesome. We take the car down to the shop today and we're gonna go install this dual exhaust setup on it. It is absolutely pouring out. Look at that. I'm gonna end up walking home after I drop all this stuff off, pick up the car, take it in, get it up on the lift, and let's start getting this exhaust installed on it. So we got all our parts and pieces here. Let's get this show on the road. Home from our little walk home from work. We're gonna go to the shop now and get Beauty up on the lift. That seatbelt thing is bloody annoying. Alright, so off to the shop we go. Alright, so there we go, we got her in the shop, and let's get her up on this lift here. Alright, so we got the car all chalked up. Just gonna pop the hood, let her cool down a little bit. So we're going to get it in the air, and I'm going to give you guys a walkthrough of what's on it now compared to what we're going to be putting onto it. Alright, so this is what we're looking at. So starting from the front, we have got the header comes down into the catalytic converter, and on the right side goes into this Y pipe here, and it tees off into one and goes to the muffler, axle over section, and out to the tailpipe. We're gonna have another one coming down right alongside here, up and over. Alright, so first thing I want to do, take these flanges here because I like to leak around those. I'm going to clean up around here. I'm going to put a bead of weld around each one of them. Alright, so we've got it all cleaned up. Now we're just going to buzz a weld around all of these so they can't leak. Alright, so we got that all welded up. Alright, so the first step we're going to want to do is get this Y pipe out of here. Drop out the muffler and tailpipe section. So that's just a 14 mil bolt here. Very hot. So we just undone the Y pipe nut. We got a hanger there. Got a hanger up there, a hanger back here, which really doesn't look very good. Alright, so we got most of it out of here. All these hangers unhooked, but you can't get the axle back section out without taking the muffler off. So I'm just going to cut the muffler off of that. And that's out. Alright guys, so we got the axle back section and muffler off. The only thing left on the car is the Y pipe, so we're gonna fire it up just because. You know, all that. How's my axle? Decent. Nice. That's not bad. Got our O2 sensors disconnected. There. And we'll get this Y pipe down on the ground. Got our Y pipe out. Not bad for 300,000 K. This new setup doesn't have any rear O2 sensor bungs welded into the pipes, so I had to go pick up some of these here. We need to weld that into the pipe, and then we can get the rear O2 sensors in there with the feeders. Alright, so now you want to repeat on the other side. Alright, time to get this X pipe off in this mount. I think what I wanted to do is have that middle one in that cross brace. Alright. So we've got the X pipe in position, held up by stands. I'm going to weld up this left side because it's all tight and it's right where I want it to be. Alright guys, so we've got the X pipe in the car now. It is looking pretty fantastic, I must say. I just got to deal with these hangers here. I think I'm just going to weld them up onto the rear bumper. Then I got to get one more hanger and I'm going to put it right there at that upper control arm. Alright guys, so everything's in about as good as it's going to get for now. We're running out of time, so let's fire it up and then we'll go for a road test and see what it sounds like. Alright, so as you can see, there's a huge difference going to basically straight pipe, dual exhaust. Just gonna go clean up, and then let's hop in the car and go for a drive, see what it sounds like. I love its startup and idle. That sounds absolutely amazing. Let's see what this does. Alright, I'm liking this. It's not so bad when you're just easy on it, but when you get on it, she makes some noise. Well guys, I think it did pick up a little bit of power. It feels like it's getting up to speed a little quicker than it was. Alright guys, so I'm just going to set you up outside behind the car. Now just so you know, I did not do any of these burnouts here. I'm just doing an exhaust clean. Alright, so I got a couple exhaust leaks that I gotta take care of. Go back to the shop, I'm gonna weld those up. It doesn't sound, it's alright, but it could be a lot better. We're at my parents' right now. We are gonna hop in the cars. My mom's coming with me to start. We'll get a few rollers of the Challenger and then we're gonna cruise down the inland and go get you guys some roller shots.
Nice, looking forward to it.
Exhaust. So this is gonna be awesome.
Fun.
We'll see you in the car.
Yeah. Okay, here we are in the car. Steve's going solo.
You go first, cause your car's getting filmed first.
Okay. I think I'm on my... Nice car.
Nice car. What's the retail on one of those?
Hey buddy, you want to take me for a ride? Meet us at 7-Eleven. Hey, you're gonna...
Shout out to Monster Energy. Come on guys, sponsor me. Delicious. Gotta get you guys a thumbnail. Alrighty. Alright guys, so I'm not too happy with how it sounds as it goes up in RPMs. It's got a really nasty raspy sound to it. Sounds cool at the beginning, right?